Sriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Work IQ Calendar MCP in Copilot Studio. Let's get started. Here's a brief look at my socials, LinkedIn, YouTube, and my website. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button and subscribe to my channel. So, what is Work IQ? Work IQ is the intelligence layer that grounds Copilot Studio agents in shared context across your organization. You can add Work IQ MCP to your Copilot Studio agents to enhance what they can understand and do. Here's a list of Work IQ MCP servers available where you can extend your agents by using these tools in Copilot Studio. So, in this video, we'll focus on Work IQ Calendar MCP tool. So the Work IQ MCP server actually used for Outlook calendar operations. You can use this MCP server for calendar operations like updating, creating, and retrieving events. You can also use it for managing invites and checking availability of the attendees. So here is a brief look at the features available for Work IQ Calendar. You can do event management like create, update, read and delete events, accept and cancel invitations. You can also create recurring events, and you can also check the availability to get the free and busy schedules. You can do attendee management. You can create recurring meetings, and you can also generate automatic link generation for the meetings. Let me go through a quick demo of this WorkQIQ Calendar MCP server. I'm using an existing chat conversation here. Here, let's start with creating a new meeting in the calendar for one-to-one catch-up with Pradeep at 11 a.m. PST today. That's what I'm asking to, and make Pradeep as a required attendee. So the MCP server is invoked, and then it creates a meeting at 11 a.m. PST, and then attendee is Pradeep, and then it'll also give a link to the meeting and make Pradeep as a required participant. Okay. Um, Next is I'm asking it to set an offline event for myself. This is just private for me and in my calendar that at 5 p.m. PST today, so that I have a school run. So what it does, it creates a meeting with privacy private, and then it's an offline event. So there's no, if you can see, there's no meeting link here, and then it schedules at 5 p.m. PST. So that's that. Yeah, and then also the next message I'm asking is to track responses for the meeting Work IQ MCP walkthrough. So this checks the responses for this meeting, and this comes back with this and saying I'm not got any response from Pradeep, and I'm the organizer, so I have accepted the meeting. So you can say how many have accepted, how many are tentative, have declined, and how many are no response. The next messages get available slots in PST for Sriram for today evening. So the MCP server is invoked again, and it comes back and says there's one meeting I found between 12:45 to 1 p.m. Other than that, the slots are free. So yeah, it'll give the list of available evening slots between 5 and 9 p.m. PST. So these are all the slots. You can schedule the meetings from 5 p.m. all the way till 9 p.m. Right? And it also just gives a note that that there was also already a school run event scheduled earlier, but it's no longer there for now. But it can help you to schedule a meeting in any of these free slots. So I said go ahead and set up a meeting at 5 to 5:30 p.m. for catch up with Lee. So it goes ahead and creates the meeting with Lee, and it also gives me the Teams link. So I can also show in the calendar. You can see here this is the catch up with Lee, and then this is the meeting it has created. So let's go back. Okay. I'm also asking it to set up a recurring meeting for a daily scrum for Project X from 2 to 2:30 p.m. And I've asked to invite Pradeep. So it goes ahead and creates this meeting. So it has created the recurring meeting successfully. And the subject is daily scrum for Project X. The schedule is daily recurrence and the start date. And it actually gives us March 31st, that's today. And 2 to 2:30 is the time. And it attendee is Pradeep here. And it also gives me the link, right? And it also gives me the recurring pattern. So since I said daily, it has also done both weekdays and weekends. If I had actually specified just weekdays, it would only have scheduled on weekdays. Let me go ahead and show you the event it has created. So you can see here the daily Scrum meeting for Project X. It has done a daily recurring meeting here. Okay. The next one is I'm saying accept the invitation for this meeting daily Scrum for Project X. So it comes back that I'm the organizer, so but I'm automatically accepted. So if it was attendee, if they say accept this meeting, so it would have gone ahead and accepted it here. Let me walk through how I created this agent. This I created Work IQ Calendar MCP sample. Description is this agent uses Work IQ Calendar MCP server to do Microsoft Outlook calendar operations like creating, updating, retrieving events, managing invites, and checking availability. It has just one tool, which is the MCP tool, a Work IQ Calendar preview. This is the tool, right? And what I'll show you is how I added it. I just go here, add a tool. I just click on MCP. I'll search for work, IQ calendar. You do a search, a few seconds. So this is the tool, Work IQ calendar. It's Work IQ MCP server for Microsoft Outlook calendar operations. I click add and configure. I'll not add it now because I already added it earlier. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.